La Trinidad Benguet. Tonight, we witness the most awaited celebration of beauty, culture, and excellence. Welcome to Mr. and Miss La Trinidad 2025 Grand Coronation Night. This evening, we celebrate a convergence of elegance and purpose as we crown the ambassadors who will carry the legacy of La Trinidad to new heights. Let us all prepare to be captivated by an evening where passion meets advocacy and grace meets responsibility. To begin this momentous evening, may we request everyone to rise for the invocation, followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, followed by the Benguet Hymn and the La Trinidad Hymn.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang araw ng Pilipinas.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all be seated. To officially open this grand event, we are honored to invite Honorable Frederick D. Guzman, Municipal Councilor and Chairperson of Mr. and Ms. La Trinidad 2025, to deliver his opening remarks.
Mabuhay kabataan ng La Trinidad! Sino po dito ang excited? Excited kayo ba, amin ako? Okay, before we start, pakitapik po yung katabi nyo. Pakitapik. At pasalamat Pasalamat ka dito eh. Kan nagwapo dyan ang sa mo. Sige, pakipagay. Kasi nadating yung kontra. Anyways, thank you everyone for coming. Thank you everyone for lending your time to watch. Yeah? May witness tayo dito lovely candidates. We have 26 candidates representing 13 barangays. And first of all, we would like to acknowledge, we have here our ever supportive municipal officials. We have here Councilor Teddy Walang. Can you stand, sir, to be recognized? They requested me to acknowledge them one by one. Okay, we have here Councilor Guillermo Galwan, Councilor Jude Brian Lee, Councilor Bartolome Baldas Jr., Councilor Jason Dangwa, our co-chairperson, Councilor Belmar Ellis, and of course, the head of the Sangguniang Bayan, we have here Vice Mayor Roderick Awingan. And of course, our ever-supportive mayor, we have here Mayor Romeo Salda. Adapay ticket na councilor dita. Okay, we also acknowledge our barangay officials, Adada dita dagyo barangay Kagawads, and we have here the punong barangays. Adada dalikod the municipal officials, kindly also stand to be recognized, sirs and ma'ams. Adada ako. So that the punong barangays of the 16 barangays nila Trinidad. We also have there the Sangguniang Kabataan chairpersons. Tumakder kayo man lang to be recognized. Yan, nandun po sila. And of course, we would like to thank the judges. That will be formally introduced later on. We thank you po sa pagpunta, sa pag-accept ng aming invitation. We also have Councilor Richard Wacnisan, our IP representative. We have our ABC President, Councilor Juni Purong. Okay, andun po sila. Again, we would like to thank the 15 judges. Napakadami po natin judges ngayon because alam po natin na mahirap ang mag-judge and they will be the one who will determine kung sino ang mananalo. Of course, hindi po lahat sila makakakuha ng crown but they are all winners. Pwede ba natin silang palakpakan? Dahil binigay nila ang kanilang oras during the practices. Agpuypuyat na kita, agpa-practice ti pasarela, apandamag na magna sa ti sarmi, kaskasaw na ti bagida ti sarmi, tapno may present dahil tatangal daw, no anyaman apo iti God-given talents and also to present their advocacies. We also want to thank the committee. Of course, we have the Sangguniang Bayan staffs. Yan, adatada, nagkayora, palakpakan tayo suda apo. We have the tabulation committee. At we thank the STI and also from the LGU. Also the ushering committee, they are also the volunteers. We have the different youth leaders na nag-volunteer to be the ushering committee. We also have the media partners. Our media partners will be covering some of this event. And we also thank the Red Cross, the nagkasapulan ko assist the Red Cross, and we also have the La Trinidad Municipal Police Station for our safety. Of course, we want to thank everybody for coming. Kasi ko natatayhaan nga ang amin nga ada dito yung present nga namin na candidates are hindi lahat nabibigyan ng opportunity to become a candidate. Ano? Sila po yung mga pinili, hindi pinilit. Yeah. Sila po yung mga pinili to represent the barangay and to showcase what anyati ada di barangay. Anyati talent di barangay. And also, we are doing this because it is part of our youth empowerment. And once again, sino dinabisin? Mayor. Anyways, thank you everyone for coming. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. And let's enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you so much.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, Honorable Guzman, for your inspiring words that set the tone for tonight's celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, our distinguished panel of judges brings a wealth of expertise, grace, and integrity for tonight's event. To introduce our esteemed judges and present the criteria for judging, may we now welcome Honorable Belmer Ellis, Municipal Councilor and Co-Chairperson of Mr. and Miss La Trinidad 2025.
Thank you so much. Happy Strawberry Festival, La Trinidad! Okay, so I am tasked to introduce our member of the Board of Judges. And alam natin na ito ang pinakamahirap na trabaho to judge our candidates. So I begin with our first judge. She is the Tourism Operations Officer 2 of the Benguet Provincial Tourism Office. She is a graduate of Bachelor of Science and Tourism at the University of the Cordilleras. Had her Master's in Public Administration at Benguet State University and a National Certificate holder in Tour Guiding, Events Management, and Cookery. A National Committee member of National Commission for Cultural Arts, Communities, and Traditional Arts section from 2016 to 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, our first judge, Ms. Heather Janet Disa. Okay, thank you so much. Our judge number 1 next. Our judge number 2. He is a proud son of La Trinidad Benguet who was awarded as one of the top 10 outstanding students of the Philippines in 2015 and was conferred an award for outstanding leadership by the provincial government of Benguet in 2016. He is a former councilor and SKF president of the municipality of La Trinidad from 2018 to 2023. In 2022, during his term, he passed the bar and took his oath as a lawyer. Prior to the end of his term in La Trinidad, he transferred to Metro Manila to work as a lawyer under the Office of the President, Office of the Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation, and Unity. At present, he is an Asian Leadership Fellow at the German-funded Conrad School for Young Politicians. He maintains with his wife at their law office, Muñoz Bagano Law Office in San Narciso, Zambales, while serving as one of the legal counsel for the city of Olongapo. Our judge number 2, Attorney Apolinario Bagano Jr. our upholding rules. Thank you so much, attorney. Next, our judge number 3, a law and philosophy graduate of St. Louis University, started his government service at the provincial legal office as attorney for. Currently, he is the secretary to the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. He has been a chairperson of Mr. and Miss Benguet Committee since 2022, vice chairperson of the Benguet Music Fest Committee, which stages both the Adibay and Biag Battle of the Band and Acoustic. Our judge number 3, no other than attorney Brian Crispin. Okay, our judge number 5. Ayan, he is a Mr. Grand Mandaluyong City 2024 and Mr. Grand Philippines Icon 2024 at the same time. At the same time, a Regal Entertainment artist. No other than Mr. Grand Philippines Icon, Mr. Sandro Gonzalez. Our judge number 6. He is a native of La Trinidad and the Chief Operations Officer of Valley Bread Incorporated, and of course, one of the grand sponsors of Mr. and Miss La Trinidad 2025. No other than our big sponsor for Strawberry Festival, Mr. Nicolo Espadero. Our 7th judge, she is Miss Planet International 4th runner-up 2024 and Miss Planet Philippines 2024 from the province of Surigao del Sur, Mindanao. Our Miss Planet International, Miss Cristel May Correos. Ayan, okay na po. Okay, our 8th judge, he is Mr. Philippines Youth Education 2024 at currently a supervisor at healthcare prescription drug plan based in the US. He is also an ambassador of Everrise Philippines. Our Mr. Philippines Youth Education 2024, no other than Mr. Ryan Capistrano. And next, our 10th judge, she is currently the Municipal Budget Officer and the Gender and Development Focal Designate of the Municipality of La Trinidad, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Mathematics and Master in Public Administration. Formerly the chairperson of the search for Mr. and Miss La Trinidad for the year 2022 and 2023. Our 10th judge, no other than our Budget Officer, Ma'am Imelda Isnara Grupo. And next, our 11th judge, she is a graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education and the Mr. Grand Cordillera 2024. He is also the Mr. Grand Philippines Ambassador Innovation 2024. Let's welcome our judge number 11, Mr. Joe Marson Dunuan from Ifugao. Our 12th judge, he is the second runner-up of Ginoong Turismo from Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and design concept director of Mr. Grand Philippines, Filipino Community of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and the representative of my friend, Choi Lee Productions, a passionate creative and textile designer. Nagbiyahe pa po siya from KSA. Kararating lang niya kahapon, no other than Sir Mervyn Samson, and our 14th judge, we have the next judge. Our next judge is a third-term provincial board member of the 14th District of Quezon Province, a former president of the Philippine Councilors League from Quezon Province, and the president of the Mr. and Miss Philippine Youth Organization. A round of applause to Honorable Gerald Ortiz. Heritage 2024 and the Mr. Manhunt Star International first runner-up happened po in the country of Thailand. He is also an SK chairperson of Caloocan City. No other than Honorable Mark Joseph Makalintal. Our next judge, he is a talent manager and a casting director for 25 years, who is currently served as the president and CEO of Mr. Grand Philippines and managing director of Mr. and Miss Philippine Youth. Let's welcome our very own Sir Rex Apostol Belarmino. Our next judge, she is currently a BS Biochemistry student at De La Salle University while studying. She was crowned Miss Manila in 2023 and a finalist of Miss World Philippines 2024. Let's welcome our Miss Manila, no other than Miss Gabriel Lancer. And our judge for the ethnic wear. For the ethnic wear, we have our judge who is a native of Bugyas, Benguet, and currently the tourism officer 1 of Benguet Tourism and Cultural Affairs Office, a member of Culture Heritage Identity of Benguet Arts or CHIBA of the Provincial Local Government Unit of Benguet, a researcher of Benguet culture and a youth development ambassador. Let's welcome our Tourism Operations Officer 1 of Benguet, Sir Sider Urban. Official judge for tonight for our ethnic wear. We have here, she is a Kankanai, Ilocos culture, beard, and practitioner. She is a proud Igorota and a full-blooded Igorot by heart and action. She is a communication specialist focusing on indigenous people's rights, health, and agriculture. She has worked and is currently working in various non-profit organizations, closely collaborating with stakeholders, including government offices, with the common goal of contributing to nation building. No other than our Miss Catherine Simato Tuy. much. Once again, a big round of applause to our member of the Board of Judges. And good luck po mga judges po. Sigurado mahihirapan sila ngayon. So again, thank you so much to our officials.
All right, thank you, Honorable Ellis, for introducing our esteemed panel and enlightening us with the criteria that will guide tonight's selection. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this evening's celebration would not have been possible without the generous support of our valued sponsors. Let us now take a moment to acknowledge their contributions through this sponsored video. Let us now take a moment to acknowledge their contributions through this sponsored video. Once again, we would like to say thank you to all our following sponsors. Now,